Whew, it's hot here, guys. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make real Southern sweet tea. You want to find out how to make perfect sweet tea? Stick around to find out on Cooking with Tovia. So I'm going to be showing you how to make sweet tea the proper way. I have the electric kettle here that was sent to me by HadinEEon. I love it. It's comes with the actual kettle, comes with the instruction manual. I have used it, tested it for about a month and a half, and I love it. The only thing I don't like about this kettle is that the the wire on the base is so short. So in my kettle, I have put in there 4 cups of water, and I'm going to hit 190 degrees, which is for oolong tea, and then I'm going to hit the start button, and I'm going to hit the keep warm button. I love it. Look, this thing lights up bright and beautiful. I love things that lights up and beeps and makes sounds. I just love kitchen gadgets. So in the meantime, while our water is heating up, I'm going to be using Louisiana's tea. I love this tea. It's perfect for sweet tea. I like the fact that when this tea is made properly, it doesn't have a bitter taste at the end like you would find in Lipton. So I'm not a fan of Lipton, but Louisiana is great. This is an orange peacoat tea, and this is an oolong tea. So it's important to use a kettle for your oolong teas, a kettle that has preset temperatures. If you use water that's too hot on the oolong tea, it's really going to affect the flavor of your tea. So if you are brewing your tea at the right temperature, your tea won't have a bitter taste, and the color in the tea will be beautiful. So I have a large bowl here on the side. I'm going to use 2 bags. So I'm going to pour over my sugar. I'm just using like a shy 1 cup of sugar. Just a little over 3/4 of a cup, but less than 1 cup of sugar. This will have a perfect sweetness. I'm not a fan of super sweet drinks, so this has a nice balance. Now, when the kettle is done, it will blink and it will beep. And I hit the keep warm button so the kettle can be in standby mode, but it will keep it at that same temperature. It's not going to keep boiling the water, but it will maintain the same temp until you turn the kettle completely off. And if you want to find out more about this beautiful kettle, check the description box, and there's a link there that will take you to the actual Amazon page. So this is I know it's almost ready. Okay, so it just blinked, the lights went off. So all the lights are off. I know that it's ready. I have it on the keep warm cycle. So now I'm just going to pour my water over the sugar and tea bags. I find it easier to do it this way instead of just wasting all that time making a simple syrup and then stewing all this water just for the tea, just to mix your simple syrup and everything. It's just easier to do it this way. So I'm going to place my kettle back on the base. Make sure you hit the stop button to make sure it's completely off, so that way you won't have the kettle running. I'm going to lift the tea bags up, and I'm just going to whisk in my sugar. Okay, so I'm using 2 tea bags, and I tell you I'm using just a little over 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and this is 4 cups of water. And then on standby I have an additional 4 cups of icy cold water. So I am going to just leave my whisk on top of the bags, and I'm going to let these steep in this water for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let me show y'all this really nice serving pitcher I found at Walmart. It's not completely dry, but I love it. This is 1 liter, and it has a chalkboard on it. So if you're doing a little outdoor party, this will be great, because you could use this to serve your guests, and they know exactly what's in the glass. So you can serve that to your guests So my tea bags are almost finished steeping. Look at that. Don't I have nice handwriting for a man, y'all? I like to use my spoon or this to just press the tea bags just to get all that beautiful tea flavor out of the tea leaves here. Just a stir, make sure all that sugar is dissolved. And I'm going to pour this into my large serving pitcher here. Okay, so this is going to make 2 quarts of tea. So if you want the flavors, if you want more tea, if you're going to make a gallon, just simply double this recipe. Use 4 bags and almost 2 cups of sugar. So I only made a little bit of tea because I have some tea already on standby that I made. I have these cute little jars, drinking glass jars, mason jars. I just love it. So my tea is cold. They're nice and cold. I'm going to go ahead and just put my straws in there with my lids on. I love these jars because these jars will prevent flies and bugs and stuff from getting in your drinks while you're sitting outside enjoying the shade. So I'm going to take one of these and give these a taste test on cam. So here it is. Icy cold sweet tea. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. Shout out to all of my subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. So here we go. I'm gonna tell y'all, if you never had Louisiana sweet tea, try it. It will really quench your thirst. It's so refreshing. It doesn't have that bitter taste. I just want to sip this whole jar down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off camera so you guys don't witness that. So good. Please hit that thumbs up, share this video, and leave a comment down below. And please remember to live and be well. Let's come together and do everything we can to end hatred, discrimination, and violence. Let's encourage others to love each other. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.